Next week, University of Montana students will be scattering across the country and beyond for spring break. Meanwhile, university faculty doing everything they can to remind students to take precautions and avoid the coronavirus. Russ Thomas has more.
The University of Montana is less than a week away from spring break, and with the spread of coronavirus around the country and the globe, the university is getting the word out on best practices to those who are traveling.
We're really trying to talk to them about safe practices such as hand washing and avoiding close gatherings, sort of that social distancing piece, and really understanding the current status of coronavirus in a state they may be visiting. But equally important when they come back home, and particularly if they develop symptoms, the things that they're going to need to do to seek medical treatment and at the same time minimize the risk of passing that to others.
Short says the university has been working with other entities in the community, including the Missoula Health Department and Missoula County School System, as they collect data.
So it's really important to be coordinated and be using the best data to inform our decisions. And the university is certainly working hand in hand with our local partners, and we will make a coordinated response to coronavirus in the event that it becomes prevalent in our community.
The university has already made several preemptive decisions for student groups traveling as a result of the rapid spread of the virus worldwide.
We had a spring break trip, in fact, that was scheduled to go next week to Hong Kong, Macau, and China. We canceled that due to the travel advisory. We've got some other later scheduled travel to China that has been canceled as well, a May trip and an early June trip.
Short reminds students who have had to cancel travel plans that the campus, including the dorms and many services, will remain open next week. In Missoula, Russ Thomas, MTN News.
She also tells us some professors are currently testing an online pilot program so students wouldn't have to come into the classroom if the university feels that becomes necessary.